Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. We're going to talk about an issue that comes up every so often, specifically with older vehicles with higher mileages. So you guys already know as you guys already know, parts actually break down for most vehicles, probably for all vehicles after your vehicle has maybe like over 100,000 miles. If you're lucky, maybe 200,000 miles. But inevitably, all vehicles break down. Now, with this issue, you're gonna get a check engine light. You could get stalling. You could get poor acceleration and bad fuel economy. And all these signs are a result of possible camshaft position sensor issues. So basically, the camshaft position sensor is an electronic device that does what it says it does. It monitors the camshaft position and speeds, and it pretty much gives that data to your car's computer, which is the ECM. The ECM needs to control how much fuel enters the combustion chamber, ignition, timing, spark to ignite the fuel when the air-fuel mixture is ignited at precisely the right time, engine power, and fuel economy increase and tailpipe emissions decrease. So let's go through what you guys need to know as far as the symptoms are concerned. The easiest way to figure this out is you get a check engine light. If you guys do get a check engine light, you guys could always get an OBD2 to figure out what the issue is. But if you guys don't have an OBD2 and you guys want to take a guess at what it is, you guys shouldn't, because you guys could go to AutoZone and get a free diagnosis as far as that's concerned. But here's what you're going to have issues with if you guys have a bad camshaft position sensor. You're going to lose the ability to quickly transfer data, which is, the sensor itself is electronic, and obviously it's not going to transfer the right data to your car's computer, and obviously that's going to cause a mismatch in fuel and delivery and ignition timing, and even a few milliseconds is going to cause your car to sputter and accelerate poorly. It's not gonna have a lot of power. It's gonna stall on you, and it might even shut off. All right. Second thing you're gonna have, as far as issues are concerned, is probably transmission shifting issues. And a lot of people think that this might have issues to do with the transmission itself, but it can cause issues with the shifting solenoids from operating and gears from shifting, and a lot of times what that's called, it's called limp mode. And most vehicles these days have limp mode because what happens is, if your car gets conflicting data, it doesn't get data from a specific sensor, what happens is it puts your car into a mode called limp mode, where you probably be able to go maybe like 15-20 miles per hour at most, and it pretty much limits the damage that could possibly be done to your vehicle, even with a bad camshaft position sensor. But also on top of that, you guys could get really bad MPG, fuel economy. So basically inaccurate readings. What happens is it might force excess fuel into the combustion chamber, and this could cause engine knocking and serious damage if too much gasoline gets built up in the chamber. Also, on top of that, your car might not be able to start, and if you ignore the symptoms and you keep on driving with a bad camshaft sensor, and if that sensor goes out on you completely, you might not be able to start. So what happens is, your camshaft position sensor might be sending weak signals. It might be on the stage of going out. However, if it dies completely, it's going to keep your car from starting, because the computer is not going to be able to figure out how much fuel and spark delivery to put into your engine. and you might have a no start issue. But in any case, those are the symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor. So let's talk about where it's located. As very rarely is this actually something that's really easy to get to under the hood in front of the engine. A lot of times you gotta take the wheel off. It's on the back side of the engine, but it kind of depends on what kind of vehicle you have, car, SUV, truck, van, or whatever. It's located it's located in various areas. But if you guys have this problem, and I'm gonna tell you what's the easiest thing to do as far as trying to figure it out, because if you guys are getting all those symptoms, definitely, if you're gonna get in limp mode, if your vehicle's in limp mode, it's gonna you're gonna have a check engine light on your dash. OBD2 readers are not expensive. You can get one at Walmart for 20 bucks. You can get, don't go to AutoZone, because I think the cheapest they have is like 50 or something like that. Just, you can go to Walmart, get one for 20 bucks. It's called an OBD2 scanner. If you guys don't know too much about cars, all you gotta do is just plug it into your OBD2 scanner. It'll read the code for you. If it's the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor, it's gonna come up as a code. And you know exactly what the problem is. In that case, you won't have to guess as to what the problem is, and that'll help you out tremendously, because if you guys don't know what it is, just taking a guess at it, or even paying the dealership or garage to try to figure out what the problem is, it's gonna be costly. All right. Hope that this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. If you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Hope this has helped you guys out, and you guys get your car working the way that you want it to work again, the way that's supposed to work. All right, guys, have a good day. Take care.